The National Palace was the official residence of the President of Haiti, located in Port-au-Prince, facing Place Louverture near the Champs de Mars. It was severely damaged during a devastating earthquake in 2010. The ruins of the building were demolished in 2012 under the Martelly administration, and plans to rebuild the palace were announced by Jovenel Moïse in 2017. A reported total of 4 residences built for the country's rulers, whether the colonial governor-general, king, emperor, or president, have occupied the site since the mid to late 18th century. At one point in the site's tumultuous history, when the chief of state was without an official home due to damage, a 19th-century French-style villa on Avenue Christophe assumed that role. The earliest structure was the government palace, which was constructed in the 18th century as the residence of the French governor-general of Saint-Domingue. Its first Haitian inhabitant was the country's first president of Haiti, General Alexander Pétion. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.